Are you drowning in the endless noise of 37,000 AI skills, wondering which one actually matters for your career? Stop guessing and start building with the Skillforge Agent Premium. This tool leverages advanced semantic vector search to parse your CLAUDE.md and project history, providing automated skill stack composition, real-time relevance scoring, and intelligent gap analysis. Whether you are a machine learning engineer, a back-end AI architect, a full-stack LLM developer, or a data science practitioner, this agent bridges the gap between your current expertise and the industry's most high-impact demands. It is time to stop manually mapping your potential and let the engine do the heavy lifting. Imagine having a personalized roadmap that evolves as fast as your codebase does. Finally, an AI that knows what you should learn before you even realize you have no idea what you are doing. Here's what's inside the Skillforge Agent Premium skill. First, you get advanced semantic vector search that scans our entire catalog of over 37,000 skills to find your perfect match. Second, the automated Claude.md project analysis engine instantly surfaces hidden dependencies in your workflow. Third, our intelligent skill stack composition engine builds a custom learning path tailored to your specific project needs. Fourth, you receive real-time relevance scoring, so you always know which skills are trending in the industry. Fifth, the agent provides proactive recommendations that evolve as your technical stack grows. It comes with expert instructions, code templates, and real-world examples. And it works everywhere: Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. It is the ultimate command center for mastering the modern AI landscape and staying ahead of the curve. Installing the Skillforge Agent Premium skill takes one command: npx quanta-skills add Skillforge Agent Premium. That's it. Once executed, you download the complete skill package, including curated expert level guidance, production ready code templates, and deep dive documentation. Your next Claude Code session picks it up automatically, and suddenly your AI assistant knows your specific architectural constraints, your current skill gaps, and the exact high impact technologies you need to master next. It essentially turns your terminal into a career accelerating powerhouse that understands your professional trajectory better than your own manager does. Just try not to get too comfortable with the AI doing all your career planning, or you might start asking it to write your performance reviews next.